Here's how to easily remove blank pages from a PDF document. We're going to use Canva, so go to canva.com. If you don't have an account, make one because it's free and useful for other things as well. Once you're signed up, on the home page, press this Upload button here. Now you're going to press Upload and select your PDF file. Now go through it, and for each of the blank pages, press this Delete Page button above it. Once you've deleted all the blank pages, press File, then Download. We'll need to change the file type here to PDF Standard. If you're going to print the document, then pick PDF Print instead, and then press Download. And we now open our updated PDF in the browser and see the blank pages are gone.